Okay, in this lecture, I'm gonna show you how to change the actual words themselves, okay? So whenever you launch the app and if you click on movies, you will see that there are two entries for word puzzles, okay? So I'm gonna click on the Australia towns, okay? So if you click here, as you can see, there's words right here for the Australian towns, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to quickly change these, all right? So go to source code, and in groups and file, if you drill down under import data right here, you will see words.json. I want you to click on the icon there, and this will open the file right here. Okay, so if you look here, you can look for the word that says movies. Okay, so just do Command F or file or find right here. Okay, and look for Australia towns. Okay, as you can see, it appears here. I'm going to change this to something that has to do more with Halloween. So I'm going to say costumes, okay? Okay? Or let me see, yeah, just costume, it's fine, it's just to show you. And the list of words are here. So each words are in between opening and closing double quotes. So I'm going to change some of them to show you. So here, instead of over there, I'm going to put different names of clothes, okay? So costumes, I'm going to do witch, then I'm going to put, well, I'm short of ideas, so what I'm going to do is just go on Google and type Halloween costume list, okay? So sometimes, you know, there's no point of reinventing the wheel, everything is already there on the internet. So A to Z costume ideas, there we go. Clicking here. All right, and there we go. And I can just copy and paste some of them, but I'm just gonna keep going. African, okay, then Air Force, okay, then what do we have? Alien, alligator, okay, I'm gonna go fast. Okay, then Avatar, baby. Okay, there's a little typo here. Avatar, baby, let's keep going. Batgirl, Batman. By the way, don't put any space. So Batgirl would be bad if you put a space in between. So just put Batgirl in one word, okay? So remember, don't put any spaces because a space cannot work in a word search, okay? Batman, I'm gonna put Joker. I'm gonna put Superman. Hercules, then what else? Beatles, bear, chicken, wolf. Okay, almost done. Wolverine. Wonder Woman, again, Wonder Woman, I put it in one word, okay? Wonder Woman, we keep going, and I'm gonna put Caesar, okay, then I'm gonna put Cleopatra, priest, prisoner, what else? Clown, and two more. I'm gonna put a chef, and then a cowboy. Okay, so once you do that, now you want to make sure that this worked. Okay, so this is for the first one. Now you can add, meanwhile while I'm talking, I'm going to do a product clean and then run that, okay? So you guys can see it run in the simulator. Okay, so something you got to understand is that, let me click on play meanwhile so it can compile. All right, something you have to understand is that this entry ends with the semicolon right here, okay? So anything from all the way from words right here to there is the entry, okay? So if you want to add more than 2 entries, because right now we have the Australian towns and the islands. So if you want to add more than 2 entries, you just have to add more of this. Okay, so you just have to copy this and paste it below. Okay, all right, so you would basically paste it below and add a semicolon. Okay, so I just pasted it and I did a semicolon. Okay, so that's how you would do. All right, so if you're not really sure, then ask me in the forum support, or ask other people for examples how to do that. But this is called a JSON string, so go learn more about JSON strings if you're not sure how this works. Okay, so just go on Google and type JSON objects. Okay, examples. Okay, if you just type JSON object example, this will show you how the data is stored. And this is great information to know, not just for mobile apps, but for anything that's web related. Okay, so just take a look at it. All right, so now it's going to compile and we're going to be able to see our changes. So please bear with me. So let's click on places, and as you can see now it says costumes. So let's click there, and as you can see we see witch, African prisoner, chicken, wolf, clown, Air Force, and so on. Okay, so it's working as expecting. Everything is doing great. So now obviously I can do things better. If I go back to packages, and I can go back right here, I can change places to say you know, Halloween costumes or something like that. Obviously there's more work to do. Okay, so just keep on working on your set of words here, and I'll see you in the next lecture.